In today's video, we will go over the steps on how to stake AFIN. First step, we will have to purchase AFIN, and I will be using Uniswap for this video. Other exchanges where AFIN is listed will be provided in the description below. Now, let's head over to AFIN's website at afincoin.io and copy the contract address at the bottom part. Launch the Uniswap app. Hit select a token. Then paste AFIN's contract address on the space provided. AFIN token should appear. Now hit import. You will see that AFIN here has our old logo, which will be updated soon. The important part to consider is the AFIN's contract address. Once everything's set, hit import. Now I will purchase AFIN using my USDT balance. To do that, we need to connect our MetaMask wallet. I already have enough AFIN in my wallet, but for the sake of this video, I will be swapping 100 USDT for AFIN to show the actual way of purchasing through Uniswap. Now to process the transaction, we need to pay some gas. Simply hit confirm. Once done, we can now swap our USDT for some AFIN. Check the transaction details very carefully, then hit confirm swap. Every transaction would require a confirmation from your wallet. Just simply hit confirm. Once done, we wait. And there we have it. We have successfully swapped our USDT for AFIN. Now let's head over to the staking process. Head over to afincoin.io to get started. Select the staking option you prefer. For me, I'll go for Garden. Once done, you will be redirected to our AFIN staking page. We have two active staking options here. Garden, which is worth 150,000 AFIN, and our Rainforest, which is worth 1 million AFIN tokens. Now I have selected Garden. To begin the process, click on Connect to a wallet, then select MetaMask. And just like before, we will receive another confirmation on MetaMask. Hit Connect. And now our MetaMask wallet is connected. We can verify this on the right upper corner of our screen. Next step is to click on your chosen staking option. For me, that will be Garden. After that, you will be redirected to this page where we have all the details about staking, and below it, all we need to do is to approve the transaction. Another confirmation will be sent to MetaMask. Just confirm it, then we wait. It would take approximately 3 to 15 minutes for your request to reach the Ethereum network. And there we have it. Always copy and save your Etherscan link for future reference. And now for the final steps. These will be very important for you to receive your Bitcoin earning. Go over the details on this page thoroughly. Now, to receive our Bitcoin reward, we have to key in our Bitcoin wallet address. In my case, I will be using ZipMax Bitcoin wallet address. And of course, for confirmation, please use your personal and secure email address. Everything checks out, then hit stake. Another confirmation will be sent to your MetaMask wallet. Simply confirm, then we wait. While waiting, you may refresh your page for any visual latencies. And there we have it. We have successfully staked our AFIN tokens, and you will see the staking countdown below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Until next time.